stretching from the frozen summits of the Himalayas to the tropical greenery of Kerala. India's expansive borders encompass an incomparable range of landscapes, cultures and people. For all its jarring juxtapositions, intractable paradoxes and frustrations, India remains an utterly compelling destination. Intricate and worn, its distinctive patina, the stream of life in its crowded bazaars, the ubiquitous filmy music, the pungent melange of diesel fumes, cooking spices, dust and dung smoke casts a spell that few can forget. Bound in that very spell, we at CarWale are about to embark on a journey of discovery. And what better place to begin the Hyundai venue Great India Drive than this amazing place, the Statue of Unity. Standing tall is the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was instrumental in India's independence struggle. This marvel took 5 years to construct with a cost of nearly 3,000 crore. The tallest statue in the world is twice the size of the Statue of Liberty. Now that really says something. To enjoy an epic journey, you need a good set of wheels, and what better than the new Hyundai Venue. Touted as India's first connected car, it boasts a barrage of features, and along with its brilliant dynamics, it's going to be a joy exploring the unknown, and we cannot wait to get flagged off. Venkat, let's get going.
Come on man, let's go. We're finally off. Where are we going to?
So for our destination, we've narrowed down to 2 amazing places with plenty of history and not to mention mesmerizing beauty. So our first halt is going to be at Pokhran, and I really don't have to signify the importance of that place.
Isn't that where they did the nuclear test?
Yes, indeed.
And where are we going to after that?
So after that, we're going to follow it up with the golden city of Jaisalmer. But those 2 places are still quite some way off. Till then, we've got plenty to discover en route. Venkat, we finally reached Pokhran. You know, there's a certain vibe about some places. And as you can see from the board behind me, the importance of this place is of nuclear proportions.
So this is where it actually happened?
This is exactly where it happened, and can you believe it? It's just 11 kilometers from down here. But as you can see from the board, and us being civilians, we're not allowed in there.
Man, so close, so epic.
This is indeed epic. Now brought back into the limelight by the John Abraham starrer Parmanu, Pokhran made history in the world by hosting the detonation of India's first ever nuclear device in 1974. While we can't really visit the test site since it's under the control of the Indian Army, just being around it gives us goosebumps thanks to the magnitude of the event. It was an unreal experience being so close to the nuclear test site, and now that we have Pokhran covered, we're off to discover the famous treasures of Jaisalmer. So make sure you check out part 2 of our Hyundai Venue Great India Drive.